My child, please answer me. I'm calling you gently, not because I'm angry, but because I love you more deeply than you know. I've been waiting for you through every season of your life. Even when you drifted away, I stayed close. Even when you stopped listening, I never stopped caring. Today, I'm calling your heart once again. Pause for a moment. Let the noise of the world fade away. This isn't just another message. This is a quiet conversation between you and me. I'm not asking for much, just a little of your attention. Compared to everything you've been carrying, that's a very small request. I've watched you through your confusion, your exhaustion, and the moments when life felt too heavy. I saw you tell yourself, I'll respond later, when things get better, when I feel ready. But that day never seemed to come. Still, I waited, not because I was distant, but because love is patient. Listen carefully. I'm not trying to frighten you or pressure you. I'm speaking honestly because moments matter. Every invitation has its season, and I don't want you to miss what could begin today. Choosing to stay silent is still a choice, but today you have another opportunity. Don't let fear stop you from responding. I'm not asking you to fix your whole life in one moment. I'm only asking you to open your heart and quietly say, Lord, I'm listening. That's enough for me to begin working in ways you cannot yet see. Stay with me a little longer, because what I want to share next could change the direction of your life. I've never stopped waiting for you. My waiting has never been filled with anger, but with hope. Every day I watched over you, believing there would come a moment when you would finally stop running and simply listen. Even when your prayers became shorter, even when your faith felt weaker, I remained beside you. There were times you thought I had become silent, but silence is not the same as absence. I was working in places you couldn't see. I was protecting you from paths that would have brought greater pain. I was preparing your heart for truths you weren't yet ready to carry. I know you've wondered why I didn't step in sooner, why I allowed certain struggles to continue. My child, some lessons cannot be rushed. Some healing only begins when you realize you don't have to carry every burden alone. I never abandoned you. I walked through every difficult season with you, even when you couldn't feel my presence. There were moments when you felt a gentle pull in your heart, a quiet thought telling you to stop, pray, forgive, or change direction. That wasn't your imagination. It was me speaking softly. I didn't force you because love never forces. I waited for your response, hoping it would come freely from your heart. Today I'm asking you again. Don't let another opportunity pass by. You don't need perfect faith. You don't need perfect words. Just be honest with me. Bring me your questions, your fears, and your pain. I'll meet you exactly where you are. Remember this. My patience is not weakness. It is love that refuses to leave. And that love is still waiting for your answer. My child, there were many moments when you felt my gentle whisper, but fear convinced you to stay silent. You told yourself, maybe I'm overthinking, maybe later, maybe when life settles down. I understand why you hesitated. You weren't trying to reject me. You were simply tired, overwhelmed, and afraid of what change might require. But every time you delayed, your heart became a little less sensitive. Not because I moved away from you, but because the voices of fear, doubt, and distraction slowly became louder than my voice. I never stopped speaking. I simply waited for the moment when your heart would become quiet enough to hear me again. I don't remind you of these moments to make you feel guilty. I remind you because I want to set you free. You are not trapped by your past. One honest response today can begin to heal years of silence. One step toward me can restore the peace you've been searching for. Stop believing that you must carry everything alone. The weight you've been holding was never meant to stay on your shoulders. Bring me your fears, your disappointments, and the questions you've been afraid to ask. I already know them, and I will never turn you away. Don't allow yesterday's silence to keep shaping tomorrow. Today is a new opportunity. Today your heart can become open again. My love for you has never changed, and my invitation has never been withdrawn. Take one small step. Whisper my name. Trust me with what you cannot control. You'll discover that I've been waiting with open arms all along. My child, I don't want you to mistake my patience for my absence. I have never left your side. Even when you couldn't feel me, I was protecting you in ways you didn't understand. There were doors I kept closed because they would have brought greater pain. There were paths I redirected because I could see what you could not. You may wonder why certain prayers seemed unanswered. The truth is, I was preparing your heart before giving you what you were asking for. Some blessings require growth before they can be trusted. If I had answered too soon, the weight of that blessing might have become a burden instead. Don't think your waiting has been wasted. Every season has been shaping you. Every disappointment has taught you wisdom. Every delay has strengthened your faith, even when you couldn't see it. I have been working beneath the surface, where true transformation begins. Now I'm inviting you to stop measuring your life by what hasn't happened yet. Instead, look at how far I've already carried you. You're still standing. You're still breathing. You're still being given another opportunity to begin again. That is my grace at work. So release the need to understand everything. Trust me even when the path ahead isn't clear. I already know where it leads, and I promise I will never ask you to walk it alone. This isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new chapter. But every new chapter starts with one decision. The decision to trust me today instead of waiting for tomorrow. My child, I know you've been afraid that responding to me will cost you something. You feared losing control, facing disappointment, or stepping into the unknown. But what if the greater cost has been staying where you are? Silence may have felt safe, yet it has quietly stolen your peace, your clarity, and the rest your heart has been longing for. I'm not showing you this to fill you with regret. I'm showing you because I want you to see that change is still possible. No matter how long you've been distant, my love has never grown weaker. My arms have never closed. Every moment you turn toward me becomes the beginning of something new. Don't let fear decide your future. Fear always tells you to wait, but faith invites you to take one small step today. You don't need every answer before you move. You only need the willingness to trust that I will guide you one step at a time. Release the burdens you've carried for so long. Lay down the guilt, the worry, and the pressure to fix everything by yourself. I never asked you to carry life alone. I asked you to walk with me, and I will give you the strength you need for each new day. Today, choose honesty over hiding, faith over fear, and hope over despair. The past does not define you. Your silence does not define you. My love for you does. And my love is still writing your story. Don't miss this moment. Open your heart, and let me lead you into the peace you've been searching for. My child, hear me clearly one last time. This is not the end of my love for you. My love does not expire, and my mercy never runs out. What passes are moments, not my heart. Every season brings opportunities, and today you are standing in one of them. Don't be afraid because I called this moment important. I'm not asking for perfection. I'm asking for your presence. One honest response is more valuable than 1,000 empty promises. Simply tell me, Lord, I'm here. I want to hear your voice. Lead me. That is enough for me to begin a new work in your heart. Don't let fear convince you that you've waited too long. You haven't gone too far. Your past cannot separate you from my love when your heart turns back to me. I'm not counting your failures. I'm inviting you into a relationship where grace is greater than guilt and hope is stronger than regret. Leave this moment different than you arrived. Choose faith instead of fear. Choose trust instead of control. Choose to bring every burden into my hands instead of carrying it alone. I have been waiting, not to condemn you, but to walk beside you and give you the peace you've been searching for. Remember, your story is not over. The silence does not have the final word. My love does. And as you take this next step with me, you'll discover that I was never far away. I have always been here, patiently waiting for your heart to answer. If this message touched your heart, write Amen in the comments and let today be the day you stop running and start walking with me. God bless you, my child. Red Heart.